NVTS stock analysis and NVTS stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with Navitas Semiconductor stock. Ultimately, it's just such a bullish market for me, and this doesn't just make me, just immediately start buying, you know what I mean? But with a lot of context, I've done well over 42,000 videos over 5 years, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Generally speaking here, if I do not see the price giving me any sort of that shift, then I'm not going to be buying basically. And all I have to tell you, is that beforehand, I mean, just recently I've got a plus 4R.
Definitely.
Boom, it was sitting at 508 2 weeks back, 2nd of June. And yeah, I mean, this is such a great call out, and even break even's been put up here. And if I do not see this short of double break, there's just no way that I'm going to look to double down and buy. That's ultimately, how NVTS is looking like for me. So that's that. Just waiting, I mean, we're quite close, but quite close doesn't, it's not equivalent to just getting the rules met. So I'll keep you updated. And if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free email. See you in the next one.